calling all aspiring reading champions. The Literacy League presents the ultimate summer training program to level up your reading game. Get ready for an exciting adventure where we'll show you how to become a better reader during your summer break. Just like athletes train during the off-season, we're here to ensure you come back stronger when the school season starts in the fall. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Set reading goals. Our first training tip is to set reading goals for the summer. Just like athletes have targets to strive for, set a goal for the number of books you want to read or the time you want to spend reading each day. This will keep you focused and motivated throughout the summer break. Tip 2. Explore different genres. Expand your reading horizons by exploring different genres. Just like athletes train in various sports, challenge yourself to read a mix of fiction, nonfiction, mystery, or fantasy books. Discover new worlds, gain knowledge, and find your reading passion along the way. Tip 3. Create a reading routine. Establish a reading routine that fits your summer schedule. Athletes have a consistent training schedule, and you should have a dedicated reading time too. Whether it's in the morning, afternoon, or before bed, carve out time every day to immerse yourself in the joy of reading. Tip 4. Find a reading buddy. Just like athletes have teammates, find a reading buddy to join you on this summer reading adventure. Encourage a friend or family member to read with you. Discuss the books you're reading, share recommendations, and engage in lively conversations about your literary journeys. Tip 5. Dive into reading challenges. Challenge yourself with reading challenges during the summer break. Athletes push their limits, and you can do the same with reading. Participate in reading programs, create personal challenges, or join online reading communities to stay motivated and track your progress. Summer break may be the off-season in sports, but for readers, it's a golden opportunity to shine. With the Literacy League as your guide, you're on your way to becoming a better reader this summer. Keep training, keep exploring, and when the school season starts in the fall, you'll be ready to showcase your reading skills. Join the Literacy League and unlock your full potential as a reading champion. If you enjoyed this video and want more reading tips and motivation, hit the subscribe button and join the league. Literacy League.